Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the new features that will be coming in the new Excavator GUI update 0.3. As you can see, we already have the GUI running, and we also have the NVIDIA inspector over here that we'll be using to view the overclocking values being applied by the GUI. But first, we will gonna go through the backup pool functionality that was added in this update. As you can see, every job that we will add will have a backup pool button over here. Let's create a fake job. Show you how this works. Create a fake job. Add the GPU. And click on backup pool. In here you can add as many backup pools as you want, but for this demonstration we'll be fine with one. Let's go with this one, and yeah, this wallet. Obviously, when you are adding pools, or let's call it backup pools, you will have to select the appropriate wallet that you wanna use. Since if you would like to select NiceHash, they use Bitcoin addresses, you will have to select the Bitcoin address over here as well. There. Click on backup pool and it's ready. As you can see, it's shown over here. You can have as many of them as you want. And the way this works is if the primary job goes down, this one, after 1 minute, the GUI will check if there are any backup pools assigned to this job. If there are, it will try to switch to one of the backup pools. If the backup pool is also down, it will switch to another backup pool. If it already tried all of the backup pools assigned, it will revert back to the primary pool and so on until it starts working. Okay, so let's show you how this works. I already tweaked the values inside the GUI for this demonstration, so we shouldn't be waiting for 1 minute, but it should only take about 15 seconds, and then it should switch to a pool that's valid and working. Let's try it out. As you can see, it already failed over here. And we should also get a status indication of disconnected over here. Yeah, there we go. Now we just need to wait for a little while. And hopefully the GUI will switch. Yeah, I think we have it. Yeah, there we go. Switch to a backup pool. We get authorized and we got the workers running. And we are already mining. As you can see, if the GUI switches to a backup pool, the pool over here will be marked as backup. And that's pretty much it. That's how the backup pool functionality works. Alrighty, we will destroy this fake job for now. We don't need it anymore. And now we can go over the functionality that was requested by one of the let's call it users of this application. People wanted overclocking profiles that you could assign to any job that you have, since different algorithms require different overclocks to be most efficient. So as you can see, if you start the application and you are a new user, you will have only a global profile over here. And obviously you will see all the GPUs that support overclocking over here, and you can apply overclock straight from this UI. This is the old functionality that was in the previous version. But now what you can also do is you can create a new profile. Let's call it Excavator overclock. And we already switched to it. And now we can apply overclock that we would like to use in this profile. So let's, we only have this GPU on this machine, and Excavator likes to have strong core clocks. We can add, let's say, 50 MHz over here and set overclock. Right now, nothing's happening, as you can see. We will also tweak the power usage. TDP on 65%. The overclock. Still nothing. But what we can do now is we can assign it to a job. We only have this one job created over here called example. As you can see, we are already assigned to this job. And what will happen is, if we start this job, overclock should be automatically applied. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, the clock that we changed is indicated over here, and we also changed the TDP. And that's pretty much it. That's how it works. When the job is running, you can tweak these values, and as long as the job is assigned, the changes will be applied instantly. So same goes for the global profile. The global profile is always applied instantly. And as you can imagine, if the job stops, or you stop it, the overclock will return to default. I guess that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the new features, and happy mining. See you in the next video. Bye bye.